Merry Christmas. Ah, you got a new haircut, ah.
Christmas, Papa. Come on, say Merry Christmas,
Merry
Papa.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Papa.
Oh, they put barriers there so that you cannot go there. Huh? Also here. Now how do people get out from your cell? My remote control. You point out to the no, don't. Oh, that's the remote of the big TV. Kawan nakalantayan na rata pa kayo.
Nirekon si Papa.
Kapay nga min de pagtakiwasan ko may.
At apa namang karburay lain nila?
Kanya di purerayan na. Ada gaya Christmas guys.
Ano pa?
Apa ya?
Merry Christmas 2000. We did not set up a Christmas tree today because Joelle is so active. She's pulling everything.
Okay, that's enough now. You were able to do it, huh? Okay, that's enough.